Hello, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine. So today I am going to show you one of the physical property of metals and non-metals, that is electrical conductivity. So for this I have got this apparatus. This is an LED bulb. These are the wires with the provisions of these crocodile clips. Because of the shape of its mouth, they are called crocodile clips, and I've got this battery. So because these wires are made up of copper and copper is a metal, so I will show you how these copper metals will take the current from this battery to the LED bulb and help glowing it. See, right, from this battery the current is carrying towards the bulb and the bulb is glowing, because now here my circuit is completed. Now I want to show this demonstrated with the help of the another example of a metal. For this I have got a coin. This is a coin, 2 rupees coin. I will attach the another crocodile clip to the one part of the coin, and it will be connected to the wire of the circuit, and this another part of this crocodile, it will be attached to the this terminal of battery, so that the circuit is completed. And now you can see the bulb is glowing. What does this indicate? This indicate that this coin is made up of metal, and metals are the good conductors of electricity. Because this coin is made up of metal, so it is helping in conduction of the electricity, which we can see clearly because this bulb is glowing. Alright, now I want to show you why non-metals cannot glow the bulb. For this I have got a rubber band, and I have stretched it and I have broken it so that I can easily join it with the clips and make my circuit complete. See, I have joined both the ends of this rubber band with these crocodile clips, and now my circuit is completed. Alright, but you can see the battery terminals are also intact. My circuit is complete, but still the bulb is not glowing. Why? Because this rubber band which I am carrying, it is the insulator. Insulator means those materials which cannot conduct the electricity, which do not allow the electricity to pass through them. Alright children, I hope my experiment is clear to all of you. Now one thing more, मैंने अपने लास्ट लेक्चर में वीडियो में आपको बताया था कि all the metals are the good conductors of electricity, whereas the non-metals are the bad conductors of electricity. But there is a non-metal which is graphite. You know, this is the pencil which you always carry in your geometry boxes. This pencil, the inside of this pencil, it is made up of graphite. And graphite, this pencil lead is actually graphite, and graphite is the non-metal. बट मैंने आपको बताया था कि नॉन मेटल्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट नहीं करती, बट दिस नॉन मेटल ग्रेफाइट, इट इज़ एन एक्सेप्शन. इट कैन कंडक्ट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हाउ? आई विल शो यू, आई विल प्रूव इट टू यू. सो यू शुड बिलीव योर आईज. आपके सामने ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो आपको अपनी आईज पर भरोसा करना होगा, और इस चीज़ को हम एक्सपेरिमेंटली प्रूव करेंगे दैट ग्रेफाइट इज़ अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वेयर एज इट इज़ अ नॉन मेटल, एंड दिस इज़ द एक्सेप्शन. बाकी नॉन मेटल्स की तरह ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करता है. सी, द बल्ब इज़ ग्लोइंग, राइट? ऑल राइट चिल्ड्रन. सो यहाँ हमने क्या प्रूव किया कि ये जो ग्रेफाइट है, ये नॉन मेटल होने के बावजूद भी करंट को कंडक्ट कर रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को फ्लो करने दे रहा है, अपने आप में से पास होने दे रहा है, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज़ एन एक्सेप्शन. सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी वी प्रूव दैट all the metals like this coin, all the metals are the good conductors of electricity. Non-metals or the insulators, they are the bad conductors of electricity, whereas the graphite a non-metal, it is an exception. It also allows the current to pass through it, so it is also the good conductor of electricity. Thank you so much children. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए दोबारा कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग लेकर आऊँगी. सो टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर.